Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Tim Hortons frozen lemonade. So this is a really cool drink. I haven't had it in a very long time, but since I rediscovered it, I've been addicted. It's a really good drink, lemonade mixed in with some like ice, but the flavor and the texture is just unparalleled. It has 230 calories per a medium, so it is a sugary drink, but that's okay when it tastes this good. I'm gonna get right into it here and give my honest review. Cardboard straw. So I watched how they make these, and they have like a little bit of a lemon base that they fill it up with, and then they have like the liquidy slush stuff that's in their other drinks, and then they blend it all together in a machine and it comes out this. Really cool. I'm gonna get into it now. So the lemonade flavor is different than other lemonades that I've had. It's sweet, but not like overpowering. It's just right. Like a real good lemonade flavor. Kind of reminds me of like a Minute Maid lemonade, but maybe a little bit better. It's sweet, but again, not overpowering with that sweetness. It's just right, and iced, it's great. It's got, yeah, its own unique flavor to it. It is lemonade, but the Tim's lemonade tastes different from other lemonades, I believe. So really cool. It's sweet, but not too sweet. I really like the texture. It's like kind of like a slushy, chunky pieces in it. It's really good. I like this drink a lot. It's a summer drink for me. I love lemonade, especially frozen lemonades. It's even better. This is essentially a lemon slushy, which is really good. And I don't know, I'm quite a big fan of this. I'll give one more sip and I'll give my final review. Yeah, that texture is really great. One of my favorite things about this is it feels like it's like a lemonade freezy almost. Like it has a similar taste to freezies, but with a lemon flavor. Kind of like a white freezy, I guess, with lemon added in, blended up in a frozen shake like this. I would give the frozen lemonade from Tim Hortons an 8.5 out of 10. One of my favorite flavored drinks that's not coffee based, so quite rare that I enjoy drinks that aren't like a Diet Pepsi or coffee. So real cool, love it, go try it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.